What's happening, guys? Safety Liner C2 here. I've got a package from Noah. He sent over a couple things. I actually bought something off of him too, but I don't quite remember what's in this specific package because I bought a couple things and he said he would send one now and the rest later is what we worked out would be the easiest. So quite honestly, I don't remember what it is, but we're gonna find out. He always sends over some interesting stuff. So let's see what we have in our box. So starting us off, let's see, lots of bags, of course. There is something right here. I don't know what this is inside of this. We just have a, okay, this is an international tree ornament. Okay, this is really cool. I'm gonna have to find somewhere to hang this up. We got the holidays coming up here in just a few short months, so that's really cool. I've never seen that before. So of course gotta hang that up, so that's cool. What do we have in here next? The USS Enterprise, of course. So that's pretty cool. Oh, it's got a little stand too. That's awesome. So there was another Hot Wheels in, or there's a Matchbox. What do we got? Yes, Tacoma. Of course, for those who don't know, I have an 05 Tacoma, so always trying to get some of these Tacoma models, you know, just to have. So let's see, what do we have here? This is one thing, I think this is the thing that I bought off of him. Let's see, this is a Bluebird Vision bank, and the bottom just fell out. So that piece right there. So if I recall correctly, the stop sign is upside down. That's kind of a misprint right there, just a mistake. And I don't think I have this specific version. You can see this is an older version, almost like an EC72 version of the bank. So really interesting one. I did not have this specific version, hence why I bought this off of him. And yeah, just, you know, had to have it. So let's see, there's a little note right there that I'm gonna read off camera, and I could see the lettering right there, but I don't know exactly what this is. It's a first student. We have something else at the bottom too, but that's for off camera. But a first student, I can't tell if this is a shirt or a safety vest. I think this is a safety vest right here, but it's not going to fit on camera for sure. Yeah, a safety vest. Of course, first student, we know how much I love to hate first student, so this will make a very interesting addition to the collection. Maybe need to put that elsewhere. Hide that, burn it maybe. That'd be a good video, burning a first student safety vest. Maybe if that's what y'all want to see, but yeah, very reflective, and well, I mean, it's a reflective vest, but yeah, so I don't have one of these, especially a first student branded one, so really interesting. Thank you, Noah, for that. We know that I don't like first student. I'm sure that's exactly why he sent it. So really cool nonetheless. You know, it is bus related, and that's very much appreciated. And in the little letters, of course, we got a couple more pictures. We got 45, a couple shots of his bus right there. Absolutely gorgeous pictures. So those will go in my little binder with some of the other pictures that I've received, not only from him, but from other enthusiasts. So cool stuff right there. All right, and I will have you know that in one of the cards, he put some vinyl lettering in there. Well, numbers actually. So great use of the vinyl right there. But yeah, so Noah, thank you so much for sending all of this. Always greatly appreciated. Lots of good stuff in here. Of course, the first student vest, we love that right there. But there's some really good stuff in here, like this bank right here, especially with the misprint. And I love this international ornament. And this first student vest is just like I said, that sure is something. So big thanks to Noah for sending over all of this stuff. Always appreciated. Make sure you go and check out his channel. You can find that in the description of the video. Busboy501, absolute great friend of the channel. So anyways, that is going to do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I always do appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe right down here. It's a magical red button that says you are now subscribed to Safety Line or C2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, or over here. I don't know where they put it, I don't care where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up, or I'm going to be forced to wear this first student safety vest for more than 30 seconds. And it's first student, we can't have that. And make sure you also share this video with a friend. Show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to a guy in a random street. I don't care, don't let anything happen to you. So yeah, guys, that's going to do it for this video, and thanks for watching.